I'm going to talk you through updating your application. Update your application is typically used in response to a preliminary examination report. To update your application, first you have to identify the application through the Account Home. From Account Home, I can click on View Patterns and Applications to see the list of all patents and applications in your customer account. I'm going to update this first application in the list. I can do this by clicking on the hyperlink for this application. Once the patent application summary screen has loaded, under the Manage Application section, I can select Update Application. On the Update Application screen, you will receive some information about what this feature is useful for. Please note also what this feature is not used for. For example, it is not to be used for updating the name of applicants, address of the applicants, and so on and so forth. It is also not to be used for responding to an exam report. To respond to an exam report, you should use the hyperlink under the Upcoming Actions section in your patent application summary. To begin the update application process, I will click Start Now. Once the Update Application screen has loaded, you will see a number of sections on this screen. In Section 1, you will see the list of all previously submitted sections in your application. In Section 2, you can add new details to the application. And in Section 3, you need to provide an explanation for this update. I will demonstrate adding a new section to this application. I will add drawings. I will click on Upload Any Drawings, and I will be taken to the Upload Any Drawings screen. From here, I can select the file to upload. I will click Choose File, and then I will select an appropriate drawings file. This file should be in PDF format. Once the file has been uploaded, I can click Save and Continue. I will be asked whether I have completed this section, and I will respond yes. I will then click Save Section. I will now be returned to the Update Application screen. Upload Any Drawings has been updated, and the status of this now shows Completed. I cannot yet review and submit these updates. I first need to upload an explanation for the change. I can do this by clicking on the hyperlink for Upload an Explanation. On the Upload an Explanation for the Update page, I can select a file to upload. The file must be in either DocX or ODT format. I will choose a file. Once the file has been uploaded, I can select whether I have completed this section. I will select Yes and click Save Section. I am again returned to the Update Application screen. If I scroll to the bottom of the screen, I can now review and submit these updates. I can do this by clicking on the Review and Submit hyperlink. The Check Your Answers page will load. Here, you can review all of the information that you have submitted as part of this update. If I am happy with the information I have supplied, I can click Submit. When your updates have successfully been submitted, you will receive this confirmation screen. The green box will inform you that the update to the application, for this application number, has been submitted, and you will also receive a transaction number. You will also receive email confirmation that the updates have been submitted, and this is confirmed on this screen also. From here, I can now return to the Account Home.